Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome back, everybody. Let's consider the situation on the euro currency once again. So this week, no doubts, the major event was the Fed meeting and recent statement where actually officially had been said that Fed mostly is done with the rate change, but to say rate hiking cycle, and coming on the plateau of the interest rates. And everybody right now starts watching when it's not the question on whether the rate will be cut, but when this will happen. So forecasts sound different. Fed itself tells that not earlier than somewhere in the summer. So as recent comments have followed from the Fed officials that they are not considering currently the cutting rate, and actually they suggest that market is overpricing this ability. Mostly in the same manner as Christine Lagarde said that they even haven't discussed the possible rate cut. At the same time, this statement from the Jerome Powell, as we suggest, this is our opinion, ForexPeaceArmy, that it could be on the background of some important and we think significant events that stand behind of this decision. By a few reasons. First of all, based on the statistics, we do not see any necessity to cut rate. We see rising gross domestic product, more or less strong job market that almost hasn't shown yet any signs of weakness, low unemployment, more or less stable consumption. In such environment, it is not necessary to cut the rate because market is still strong, at least based on official statistics. Although we think that is might be really significantly manipulated, but still we are making the conclusion based on official numbers. Second, inflation hasn't reached yet the predefined level of the 2%, so it stands around 3%. And combination of these two factors suggests that if everything goes as well as it has been described, together with the higher than necessary inflation, it should not be any decision on the plateau of the interest rates and no decision on the actually coming rate cut. Correspondingly, we can come to the conclusion that something stands different. And we suspect that the problem stands in the manufacturing sector in the United States. So today in the report, we have taken a look at some numbers, charts, and we have shown that well, actually, this is not new. This is not the new issue. We talked about this for the whole year, showing the problems in the manufacturing sector. Actually, the confrontation with China is a byproduct of this situation. But currently, it seems that Fed has more information, and it seems that they have no choice just to stop rate hiking cycle. Because of the big problems in the manufacturing sector and really devastating deflation. In European Union, situation stands even worse. It's just because there we have the contraction of the manufacturing sector with the speed approximately 6% per year. This is outstanding, devastating of the manufacturing, industrial production in Europe. And actually, this another some divergence, I would say, or mispricing that actually market did, making the big long bets on the euro currency right now. Because it could happen that European Central Bank will start cutting rate even sooner than the Fed, just because of the situation in the economy. And you can see that inflation in the European Union is dropping faster than in the United States. That's why this rally might be really emotional. So currently it is not clear yet, but it could happen. That's why I'm returning back to the short-term trading. So we have made some conclusions on the long term. You could read the report if you would like to. Speaking about the short-term situation, with this upward action, market has destroyed the tendency that has started right there. Trend has turned bullish. Market was not able to achieve 618 support right there, around 10660 that we were expected, and shows upper direction. The momentum to the upside confirms, at least technically, that this probably is a continuation of the major upper direction here. So this is a CD leg. The pullback that we have discussed on Friday now starting, so you can see it has happened perfectly, but the drop was relatively strong and fast. That's why we not exclude that chance that market could move slightly lower. But overall picture looks relatively simple. So here we see definitely that the C point is an validation one. So it's 107.25, vital for this bullish scenario. Daily trend has turned bullish. Market is not at overbought right now. So currently, we have twofold task from the technical point of view. First of all, we need to control that this setup will not be broken. So market will remain above the C point, will not show some bearish surprises on lower time frames, and will behave accurately together with according to the bullish setup. Second, we need to monitor performance of the market around major support areas and trying to catch some really bullish signs just to miss the opportunity to take the long position. Nearest target, all this stuff, as you can see, stands somewhere around 110.75, 110.85. It could happen in the wave of the butterfly. If you take a look at the weekly picture, you will have absolutely the same patterns, parts of the different scale. So in fact, this is the BC leg on the weekly chart. And the COP stands above this area. But it also might be the big butterfly here. So you could see it in the report if you would like to. That's in short what we intend to keep an eye on daily picture right now. Correspondingly, if market will break the 618 level on intraday chart, start dropping back to the C point, it will clearly tell us that this scenario probably either postponed or will not be realized. And this will confirm that this reaction mostly emotional. Since some speculators probably shaking the boat, making big stakes on a Fed statement and so on. So market has to stay somewhere above the major support areas on intraday charts to keep this bullish context valid. On the fall time frame chart, market dropped precisely to the level that we have specified. It's 109, 30% support. But since we have talked about on Friday some kind of the reverse head and shoulders on top or something, at least for the harmony of these lows, it tells that market easily could squeeze lower somewhere to 108.30 area, and it will not become the trader choice. This will not be the problem for the bullish scenario on the daily chart, because if we suggest the butterfly, a retracement of the right wing to the 618 is normal. So market actually could let price drop even lower. So until it stands above 107.23, the bullish context theoretically will remain valid. So it might be even deep retracement for the butterfly's wing, and it will be normal. So market has here a relatively big space to act, and we just need to see what will happen around major support areas. On the hourly chart, I do not see something really interesting. So here you could see that no patterns have been formed yet around the supports that we have specified. Market right now is going to 108.67, which is also will be the XOP. And together with this level, so we have 108.67 right somewhere in this area, 108.99. This creates a kind of the confidence area. So this will become the first level where we're trying to find something bullish. Maybe market start forming some reversal pattern. We will see. That's the first level that we intend to watch for potential entry if market will start reversal. If nothing will be formed, then we will switch our attention to the next one. So 108.32. Maybe 108.50. So that will be the next destination point, and see what will happen here. So this we intend to go step by step and see what will happen. So because currently we need more confirmation of the reversal. So since the action has happened really fast and it still has some flaws that maybe it could be erased if it appears to be a really emotional action. So that in 2 words that we intend to do. Let's see what we'll get next week. So actually we are coming to some relatively quiet week. I suppose that this is the eve of the Christmas, and I suppose that this week and next after the Christmas and between the and until the New Year's Day, so it also probably will be quiet. So let's see what will happen, but hopefully we will get some trading stops in this period as well.